Hi, I am going to be customizing I'm going to be customizing this sound machine, and this is going. Sorry, I put a bit of this in it. I'm going to customize this with Posca pens. These things. ZHC. Go and check him out. He's really good at art. If you want to learn art, go to ZHC. Just do it. He's just incredible. I'm saying it now. I'm going to be doing a space design. So, and also ZHC. See, that's the thing that's going to happen with it if I press too hard. So I have to press really nice and gently. Please stop burping. I'm going to be... Damn it, I should have taped it up. Anyway, it doesn't matter, it's fine. I'm a kid, okay? So I'm not really, this may not be that incredibly fun for you, because I am, just a kid. So, let's just dry this off. Okay, it's like operation. It's an operation. Where's the yellow one? Where's the yellow one? This is going to be like it's in space. So, wow. Pop that back up. Okay, and see, Posca pens now, if I like let my finger, see, they do come off eventually when it's like soaked in water, but I'm not soaking it in water. Now I'm going to do the earth. Okay, now I'm going to get the green. Also, go and check out, what's his name again? Oh yeah, go and check out ZHC and Mandalorian King. Mandalorian King, he's just... Although his videos are so glitchy, he's just really good at Minecraft. I know him, he's my friend, and I really recommend going and checking him out. I so recommend checking him out. Like, he hasn't had, like, many subscribers for years. Like, the last time somebody subscribed, I think, was about... I don't know. I think it was about 7 years ago. No, not 7. No, sorry, no, not 7. He's not that old. He's not a granddad. No, he's not old. He's not that old. There we are. Yeah, lots of you probably by now are probably just walking off, but playing some footy or something. Because this is not a very good drawing. But this is just starting off, so I'd really like it if you could I can't speak today. If you could subscribe or like the video, because it would really, well, yeah, I just really like to, because I haven't had, because this is the first video I've ever done. This is my first video, so I'd really appreciate it if you could subscribe, yeah. It really help. It wouldn't help me out, but I'd really want to have some subscribers. Wait, where's the white? Damn it! Where? Oh, please don't tell me the white is downstairs. This keeps happening. Sorry, it keeps happening. Where is the white? Is it? It's not in there. Anyway, I can't use white today. I will find the white. The white. I will find the white, okay? Don't worry, I will. But for time being, I'm going to have to use yellow stars. Yeah. So this is the finished product. Yeah. So that's my first video, and yeah. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time. See ya.